How to save Instagram live videos after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can save live Instagram videos after you have posted them. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for that, if I just open Instagram and then I simply go to the live section and then I tap on the live button. And I will simply try to go live over here by going ahead and simply tapping on this live button. And now you can see it says checking connection. Now once you do so, you can see that I'm currently live. But now once you have finished your live session, and if you want to save them, first you just tap on the cross icon over here and then tap on the end video button. Now you can see it says discard media. You don't want to do that. You can share this to your post if you want, but for that your Instagram live video needs to at least be some seconds or older. So as you can see, it needs to be at least 1 minute. But you can do another thing, that is to view all of your live videos in the live archive folder over here. And once you go to the live archive folder, you'll be able to find all of the live videos. Now this one is actually currently processing because this is the recent one, but as you can see, this is one of the recent live videos that we just went. If we want to save this, just tap on the download button from the bottom right. Now as you can see right over here, if I just open up another live video, I can tap on the download button as well. And if I select similarly some other ones, I could just tap on the download button from the bottom. And if I just go ahead and show you from my gallery, that live video would have been successfully downloaded. That's all it takes to download live videos after posting them. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.